Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your birthday date on Instagram. So first of all, open your Instagram application. Now click on this profile icon on the bottom. Tap on this icon on the right. Here select account center. Here there's the option of personal details. Select it. So on this birthday section, select. Here you'll be able to see the option of edit. Click on it. Select any date or your birthday date that you want to keep here and hit on set. Now at last click on save, hit on confirm, and now your birthday date is changed. So this is the easy and quick way to change your birthday on Instagram. Thank you for watching.